Okay, Assalamualaikum and good days. My name is Karul Shawal bin Nasri. My metric number is 255532. My supervisor is Prof. Madya Dr. Nazrina binti Aziz. This video is regarding Young Researcher Quantitative Symposium Presentation 2021. Introduction. Single Day Festival was officially launched by Alibaba Group on November 11, 2009. Original in China, Single Day known as one of the largest e-commerce. The sale that happened in November, also called 11/11, marked the biggest sale event for many Asian countries. The sale will continue as the number according to that particular date in the future as predictions such as Mega Sale 5.5 and Shocking Sale 12/12. Shopping refer to purchasing anything from shop physically, and online shopping refer to purchasing goods or services from retailer through the internet. The method used by the individual or group is choose any product or services and feel that experience or idea known as behavior. The concept of online buying is an important activity and it contributes significantly to the economy. This shows Single Day has a high value, position and importance nowadays. Next is problem statement. The advance of the technology are creating a venue of convenience to suit the century ever increasing busy lifestyle. Students show different behavior because everyone bring different characters and style. Looking at the undergraduate student life cycle, there are student complaint regarding irregular financial outflows. This is due to the shopping behavior that categorized as inappropriate and less knowledgeable. There are a lot of promotional tools given during the sale promotion. The question is it affect their purchasing decision? Objective of the study. There are several objectives. First, to determine the preference of undergraduate students on different promotional tools. Second, to identify the undergraduate student attitude towards sale promotion. Lastly, to discover whether undergraduate students play any specific role in the buying process that related to each promotional offering. Significance of the study. The significance of the study is a positive impact on the students. Finding of study can assist the undergraduate student to know how they are spending while shopping. Students can take this issue as useful knowledge and take advantage by applying to align business to generate additional income. Literature review. Promotion is a tool that is only used at certain time, which make it something different from other and the most effective strategy used to trigger unplanned purchase. According to Chandra 2018, encourage consumer to frequently purchase or purchase in a large quantity is the objective of the promotional offers. There are a lot of types of promotional tool and it is significant with buying behavior. Price discount, also known as cost reduction offer to discount. Coupon promotion that also known as encourage sales. Users who are given a small sample of product for free are considered as free samples. Buy one get one free, known by giving extra good at ordinary price. Previous article show significance between attitude to all promotional tools and buying behavior. When the scope is changed to the undergraduate student for the study as a respondent, will it be the same? Methodology, data collection. In non-probability sampling, exploratory experiments are most useful compared to a predetermined sample size when deploying a survey to a smaller sample. Primary data is the type of the data used to accomplish the objective. The data collection tool is chosen in the form of self-administration questionnaire. Finding population. More than 27 students of undergraduate students in UUM are the target population. Sampling method. The sampling technique that had been applied are quota and snowball sampling method, where both subjects were selected because of convenient accessibility and proximity to the study. Method of data analysis. The objective for the research will be measured by doing several data analysis through the method of data collection and profile scoring. In the method of data collection, the method of data collection used is the questionnaire method and the type of questionnaire used is the collective questionnaire. Under method of data collection, there is questionnaire design. The questionnaire design is available in the English language for flexibility reason. The questionnaire will be taken around 10 to 15 minutes. There are three sections, A, B, and C. Section A, demographic profile of the student. Section B, the student attitude and perception with regard to different promotional tools. Section C, buying behavior of students. 13 items were measuring the student buying behavior. In the profile scoring, the objective and research question are the most important benchmark because it leads to the why it's done. To answer every question, it must use a specific method. Is there any preference of undergraduate student on different promotional tools? Based on section B, students who score above the ordinal scale, 56 points, were categorized as having clearly show interest, attitude toward promotion tools, and students who score below or equal mean, vice versa. The point number represents 17 of the accepted of the given statement. Stand on section C, same method as before used to answer what is undergraduate student attitude towards self-promotion, but the ordinal is changed from 56 points to 91 points. Depend on section B and C, the non-parametric approach was used for the analysis process in the Excel to answer how undergraduate students play any specific role in the buying process related to promotional offering. Next is data analysis and result. Data was collected from 1st September until 30 November 2020. A total of 230 responses were collected. The analysis data consists of 4 parts. The first analysis involved the profile of respondents for general information that taken from section A. Section B is used in order to achieve the first objective. Section C is used to ensure the second objective. The last part for the data analysis involves section B and C to achieve the third objective. Part 1. The composition of undergraduate students is quite unbalanced concerning gender. Female students comprise 82.6% and male students comprise 70.4%. This does not involve bias or unbiased between students. According to the Hakim 2020, there are 16,988 female students, which affect 62.3% of the total undergraduate students. As for the age group, the undergraduate students are mostly in the age between 21 to 23 years old with 83.10%. In terms of current batch study, this study equally has 61.5% of senior as the 4th-year student. In the matter of nationality, 96.7% are local undergraduate students. And review on marital status, 99.06% of undergraduate students are still single. Looking into the average amount spent on monthly shopping, 74.6% students spending almost 200 ringgit. For the part of the shopping time during the promotion, higher percent by 32.9% of students prefer shopping at 0 until 6 o'clock. According to the Shopee 2020, the announcement of sale promotion time is different according to the type of promotion and time offer. So basically, it got influenced by the time and type of the promotion. Next is, more than half are undergraduate students that do shopping monthly. According to Yan and Chen 2019, the month of October and November single day represent the largest sale. This proves the higher percentage to the answer option monthly because there are promotion sale for every month. Part 2. For price discount. Based on table 4.4, 96.2% students feel when I buy a brand that offers a price discount, I feel I'm getting a good buy, and 95.7% of the students agree that if a brand offers price discount, that could be a reason for me to buy it. This statement was supported by Chandra 2018 that price discounts were very successful in attracting rival customers from other brands. Table 4.2 show that 73.24% of the students have favorable attitude toward price discount. For coupons, the statement if a brand offers a coupon that could be a reason for me to buy it is agreed by 87.4% students, and it followed by 87.2% of the students agree when they buy a brand that offers a coupon, they feel they are getting a good buy. This is in line with the previous article that coupon relatively low rank as the promotional used by students. For the free sample, 89.2% of the students will agree that when I buy a brand that offers free sample, I feel I'm getting a good buy. And if a brand offers free sample, that could be a reason for me to buy it, with 76.4%. Based on table 4.3, only 52.11% of students have a good attitude toward free sample. Free sample relatively the lowest rank as the promotional list widely used by students. According to Liu 2020, this is very closely related to psychology and satisfaction, which free stuff is not always in a good quality. For buy one, got one free, 84.8% of students agree that a brand that offers buy one, get one free allow them to buy the product earlier than planned. When 84% of students buy a brand that offers buy one, get one free, it feels like getting a good buy. It could be a reason for them to buy it. The outcome of this research was inconsistent with previous study that additionally product promotion will accelerate the clearance stock more than price discount. On the scale of the attitude, 61.97% of the students have a favorable attitude toward buy one, got one free. In a nutshell, undergraduate students in this study have agreed on all perception of the 32 statements. This decides the first objective has been answered with the fact that there is a preference of undergraduate students on different promotional tools during single day sale promotion. Next is part 3. 95.9% students look very carefully to find the best value for the money, and 93.4% of them agree that they very carefully watch how much is spent. There were 92% of students agree on both statements that in general they try to get the best overall quality and they should spend more time deciding on the product of brand to buy. There were 66.2% of undergraduate students have a high level of the buying behavior. This decides the second objective have been answered. The students who have a high level of buying behavior normally have a higher level of involvement where they got attitude and paying more attention toward single day sale promotion. For the last analysis, result of the Spearman correlation indicate that there was a significant positive association between attitude toward all promotion tools. Price discount will lead the student to spend during single day, followed by buy one get one free, coupon, and finally free sample. Regarding price discount, the result of this study reaffirmed the finding of this previous study by Osman 2011. Regarding coupon, the result of this study was consistent with the previous study by Osman but inconsistent to Chandra 2018 that coupon does not have a strong aura of attraction to undergraduate students. This in particular has answered the last objective. Indeed, the undergraduate student plays a specific role in the buying process that related to promotional offering. This is supported by the favorable attitude between all promotional tools and buying behavior. Next is conclusion. The attitude of undergraduate students to various promotional instruments on purchasing activity is favorable, supported by the fact that there is a preference of undergraduate students on different promotional tools during single day. Students who have a high level of buying behavior have a high level of involvement towards a promotion. This research found that multiple types of variables including socio-demography and promotional tools inspire purchasing behavior. The undergraduate student plays a specific role in their buying process that is related to each promotional offering. In addition, the framework offers new insight into how students respond to different marketing tools and the effect on their purchasing behavior, which may be important for the marketers to use for the next marketing strategies. Limitation of the study. First, lack of experience or self-report. Second, lack of time because few common mistakes happen. Third, strictly confidential of information. Next is contribution of the study. This finding will redound the society benefit, especially undergraduate students. The need for more efficient and life-changing intervention is justified by the greater need for undergraduate students with behavioral history. Thusly, shopping behavior is critical so that it is not just a process of buying but a revenue-generating process, and greatest trump card to make their correct buying plan in the future coming single day. Recommendations. First, expand the sample size range. Second, use the interview technique for additional experience because it involves for the news memory of the respondents. Third, determine other promotional tools such as rebate, voucher, impact premium, club membership, or so on. That's all for me. Thank you.